Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's a little dinky diddy card. It's, oh, not focused on me at all. There we go. It's an A7 card, but I have used our new in colour glimmer paper, which is lovely. And this is the sweet sorbet version, where I'm going to do a slightly different one. Now, an A7 card is what we call it in the world. Basically, it's a quarter sheet of cardstock. So, cut a piece of cardstock in half. I'm not going to use that one. This is shaded spruce. Then you cut it in half again. Let me just check where I need to cut. Not going to need that bit. So it's a quarter sheet scored in half. And that is my base card. Nice little size. So, oh, I didn't get any use for white out. Let's grab that. And I'm just going to trim that. So I'm going to make this 1/2 centimetre shorter and narrower than my base card. If you work in imperial, 1/4 inch is probably all you'd need. Right, so let me tell you the colours of my first one. So, oh, and put the trimmer away. So this was Barney Blue with the sweet sorbet, and then I used Sahara Sand on there, Crumb Cake for the feet, more Barney Blue there, and then this was Garden Green. So I'm just going to do a slight variation on that. Okay, let me, oh, that's the scrap of white that will do. And this is Sweet Songbird, Stamp Setter and Punch. I want the branch, which I'm going to let relax. I want some flowers or a flower. I want a song. I want some beat. I need some leaves. I need some eyes. And I think that's about, oh no, I need some words. And I'm going to go with, I went with a little note of thanks, and I'm going to go A Little Bird Told Me this time, which is, I need the beak, forgot about the beak, and that's this one. Okay, so let me get this bit first and pick it up on my blog. Oh, for goodness sake, I've got children really want me. And I hope it's nothing important. No, it's not. It's how much money have you given me, Mum, to get my hair cut? Right, Sahara Sand. And I'm going to put this along here. Just on there. Okay, it's not going to go off the paper at all, is it? We're fine. We're good. Alright, let's get some leaves on. And I'm going to pick up the shaded spruce that I used before. And pop that on there. I like build it yourself kind of stamps because, you know, you can build it yourself. Okay, now the colour that I've bought, oh, I don't know if that was Starry Sky or Orchid Oasis. I'm going to say that is Starry Sky. So I'm going to have some dark blue leaves. Not leaves at all, flowers. Ooh, they're a bit fun. There we go. And I'm going to hold off until I have punched out my bird. Okay, so this one here, which is that one, is the little tummy. So I want that in the palest I can possibly get, which is that bit there. And then I want a fairly pale wing this time round, but not quite as pale. Let me just do this. I want dark bird, and I'll stay with the dark wing. Okay. Need a few more little diggy blocks. because I need, where's the eyes gone? Where did the eyes go? Did I get the eyes out? I did. Oh, they're there. I need to put the eyes and the beak on. So he sits at kind of that angle. I probably need to get this bit on first, actually, don't I? So I'm going to go liquid glue because it is glimmer. I'll try not to drop it. Oops. There we go. And just hold that for a second. But yeah, I need the liquid glue to sort of sit in all the grooves and what have you. Alright, I've got my memento and I'm going to put the beak on first. Let me get the beak the right way. Let's get those eyes off. I can't see what I'm doing. And it will work on the glimmer. You probably can't see that all that well because, you know, it's dark, but I can see it. And then the eyes. Okay, and if I bring that up, hopefully you should see. There you go, you can see that now. There we go. So you can see the face and the features. Right, I'm going to pop. I want to elevate this wing. Just on there. It's a bit of a floppy angle. Oh well, that's fine. And what else do I need? I need feet. I want some of these blocks, so bear with me while I just clean this one up. Where's my feet? There. And then I want a darker, so I'm going to go soft sway. And I'm going to sort of mock it up roughly where I want it to be. So about there should work. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this directly onto the card. So this isn't going to be elevated or anything. You can do if you want, I don't want to. So I'm not. So my little songbird is singing. And then I don't know what colours to do because it's over green and I kind of think I want a brighter colour. So I might bring in Sweet Sorbet, which I used before. And put that one away, put the eyes away and get my musical notes out. And then the words, a little bird told me. That's so cute. And I'm just going to curl the tail a tiny little bit, just turn that round, that wing. Move that out of the way. Get some seal. Pop it on, and that is a nice little card. They're so cute. They are. Oh, blooming heck. Why does my camera get confused about focus? Let's get it really close. There we go. They're lovely. I think they're really sweet. I love the colours, love the glimmer paper. I hope you like them too. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Bye.